Welcome back to another episode of the Culinary Best, another odyssey of obscurity, another oddity of the impurity. Welcome back to your favorite heavy metal stoner comedy, daytime television, cooking show extravaganza extraordinaire.
What did he just
say?
say?
It is Cooking with Manley. I'm your host as always, and my name is John fucking Manley. What's yours? You wanted the worst, and you fucking got the worst. Your favorite fucking show, the hottest thing since gay porno, hotter than any bartender in Berks County. We cook everything from crystal meth to small children. We got a special guest here.
Hello.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Andy Thomas. I'm just eating these burgers. This is how I eat burgers. Anyway. What, you know.
This is our show. Tell them about the new fucking album, the video. I don't know. Tell them about who you are.
I'm Andy Thomas. I'm playing Rivers at Night. We got some new music coming out at some point. You'll hear it. Thank you.
Hold it. My name's John Manley. What's yours?
My name's Andy Thomas. What's yours?
Yeah.